Hi, Alina. How nice to see you after so many days. Oh, look at your hair. Why such short hairstyle? These days, all of us are keeping long hairstyle. That's in fashion. Hi, Rita. Yeah, good to see you too. Well, right now, I don't like long hair. Maybe I will maintain long hair later. But right now, I think I just look fine in my short haircut. All right. What a cold day it is. I wish we had some sunshine. Nah, it's just fine. I don't like sunshine. Beautiful weather outside. Don't you see? Don't you like it? Alina, you've always been like this. And that's why we had nicknamed you in school as Rebel. You always used to disagree. You always used to oppose. And that's why probably you didn't have many friends. Have you changed now? I haven't changed. Do you remember we had a poem in our class 7th? The Rebel? In that, don't you remember our teacher told us that the poet wants to convey a subtle message that rebels are not bad as long as they are not creating upheavals in the society? Well, if there are rebels, society will see a change. And that's what I am. I speak my mind. Yes, you do. But, when we used to discuss about cats, you used to show your preference for dogs. We used to talk about uniforms. You used to come fantastically dressed. We used to go for parties. You used to prefer to study at home. And after a week, you would do the same thing for which you said no earlier. And that's why we always used to call you a rebel. However, we liked your confident bearing, that you were not agreeing to whatever people said. That, of course, we appreciated. And yes, talking about that poem, The Rebel, I remember it consisted of 15 couplets. Pair of 2 lines, remember? Yeah, and I think the poetic devices were repetition, alliteration, and teacher also said something like epiphora. Do you remember? Yeah, I do remember that poem, everything about it. Don't you think you're feeling hungry now? Come, let's go and eat something.